Welcome to this Android channel, and of course, we are Monday, September 9th, 2019, and we are almost a week now since the Android 10 rollout has started to go to different phones. That includes the Pixel phones, the Essential phones, and also the OnePlus phones. And one of the things that we kind of taking a look at here is the update rollout. How well is it going? Sometimes this is like a new version of Windows for those that have PCs. A new version of Android sometimes can be stopped from being released for some reason. And each manufacturer, of course, is taking very big precautions and taking their time to upgrade their systems and their phones because they know that, if your phone breaks, it's not a good thing. So, as for what we know in the past few days, not a lot of problems are reported in general. And of course, if you follow some of the tips and tricks that I actually posted on the channel here as to what to do in order to prepare yourself for a new version of Android, of course, you'll minimize the number of problems that you might have. So the rollout seems to go well. And in the past, there were some problems with different phones on Android 9 Pie, and some of the rollouts were sometimes kind of being stopped because of issues, even on Pixel phones sometimes. Well, here, nothing of that. I'm looking at the blog posts. Most people seem to be having a good update. Of course, as usual, there's always a certain number of people that actually complain about issues, and this is in any situation, whatever device you have and whatever version of an operating system you might upgrade. When there's a big upgrade like this, there's always a minimum. There's always a small amount of people that have issues and have problems. I've seen reports of crashing phones, problems while updating with errors and it couldn't update, all sorts of things like that. But that's typical. There's always a minimum. There's nothing in there that looks like a big issue that, oh, we should stop the rollout of Android 10 right now because there's a big problem. Nothing looks like that in here. So that pretty much is a good sign, showing us that the rollout in general of Android 10, or what was Android Q, is actually going quite well. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.